update first here on Republic. According to sources, we're getting to know that the Congress party is all set to skip the all-party meeting that has been called by the Prime Minister this evening. Remember, this is the all-party meeting that is to be held at 6 p.m. today. But the Congress party, we're getting to know, is likely to give this meeting a skip. What is being said as the Prime Minister, who will be chairing this meeting with all parliamentary leaders of all political parties to discuss the COVID-19 situation, what is being said that would be the agenda of today's meeting this evening. What we are getting to know so far through sources is that the Congress party leaders will not be attending this meeting with the Prime Minister. We're looking at day 2 of the monsoon session where there was continuous chaos and ruckus on the floor of the House. Aishwarya Kapoor breaking this story here on Republic. Congress party, what we are getting to know through sources, Aishwarya, will be skipping this meeting with the Prime Minister today this evening.
Well, the problem is that they are choosing disruption over discussion over and over and over again. This is the 6th or the 7th session where Congress party, the party which knows that how important discussions are, is choosing disruption over discussion. You want to discuss Pegasus, you do it. The Prime Minister on the first day said prior to the session commencing that you ask TK se TK sawal. But for that, you need to have discussion. You need to be a part of the meetings. You want to send out a message to the people. You want to do politics. Do that. That is exactly what Parliament is there for. You question the government. You pin them down where it's required. And if you have the facts, do it. But at the end of the day, if you're not going to be present in such an important meeting, which has been called for COVID is not going to see that which party or which supporter supports which party. COVID, it has and will impact everyone. And that's why it's very important that all political parties understand that for the people whom have voted for them, they need to help them, and to help them, they should have been a part of these meetings. Akali Dal has a problem on farmers' issues, but why will you boycott a meeting with the Prime Minister when you can raise your issue with the Prime Minister? And the Prime Minister is open with it, when he himself has said that I am ready for questions. So by Congress and then the other opposition parties who are one by one now coming out and saying that they're not going to be a part of this all-party meeting is going to, at the end of the day, adversely impact them and their cause and their voice. You want to raise, you have to be in the meeting to raise. Hence, if you're going to be absent, then how will you raise your concern or your issues? You want to go back to the people saying that the government didn't listen to you, but where did you try? Even on the floor of the House, have you allowed the Prime Minister to speak? No. So the Prime Minister said we are ready to have discussion on every important issue from Farmers' Bill and if required on Pegasus as well. But for that, you need to give time to the government. You need to listen to be heard yourself. So that is why Congress is playing politics. Congress wants to go back to the people, wants to hit the roads by saying that the government did not listen to them. But the government will only listen to them when you give them time, when you are a part of that meeting. Akali Dal also needs to understand they need to raise farmers' issue. You need to be a part of that meeting to make your voice heard. Amita.
Right. So the Prime Minister's all-party meeting that is all set to take place this evening, and the all-important issue of COVID-19 and its management is set to be the agenda that is likely to be taken up. But as far as the opposition parties are concerned, though they come out and say they want a discussion and a debate on several of those issues there, but with a direct meeting with the Prime Minister, what we are getting to know through sources that the Congress party is likely to skip the all-party meeting with the Prime Minister today evening. Aishwarya, thank you.